Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to download games while playing in-game on Rockstar Games. Today I'll be showing you how to download games while playing in-games on Rockstar Games. So have you ever had a problem while you're playing GTA 5, then you're gonna download while you're downloading RDR2, and then when you get out of GTA 5 or Red Dead Redemption 1, you check and look at your Red Dead Redemption 2 has not been downloaded. So today is in luck. I'll be showing you how to download while you are playing in game. The first thing you need to do is open up your Rockstar Games, and once you're here, click on Settings. After clicking on Settings, go down below to Updates. And when you're here at Updates, you just need to click on Allow Background Download while in game. Allow game and launcher updates in the background while running a game. So once you've on that, this will appear. So set a cap on the amount of bandwidth afforded to background updates while running a game. So you can either set a what they call this bandwidth to keep your game from not lagging if you want. But if you have a strong internet connection and have a good PC, you don't have to check this. But if you don't, just check it and pick which Mbps or pick KB if your internet is not that good. But for me, just pick 10 and just pick 5 Mbps. And there you go. So yeah, that's how you download games while running a game in Rockstar Games. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you like it. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.